Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Khadeja if you didn't know already, and I'm starting off my video like this. Really apologize. इस्लामाबाद में शांति मेरे साथ बैठी हैं और behind the scenes witness कर रही हैं, लेकिन मैंने सोचा कि since I'm not at home तो मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगी कि मैं किस तरह से जब मैं ट्रैवल कर रही होती हूँ तब मैं रेडी होती हूँ. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I get ready while I'm traveling. So everything starting from prepping for makeup and then makeup and getting ready and everything like that. And I'm also going to be featuring my favorite little buddy from Veet. This video is in partnership with Veet, and I'm going to show you guys कि मैं sensitive touch ट्रिमर को किस तरह यूज़ करती हूँ अपने ट्रैवल ट्रिप्स पे स्पेशली, लेकिन ऑब्वियसली घर पे तो यूज़ होता ही है, लेकिन आई फील लाइक दिस इज़ अमेजिंग ट्रैवल पार्टनर और आई गेस सभी अभी घूमने फिरने जा रहे हैं. सो या आई एम गोना बी यूजिंग दिस एज वेल. सब्सक्राइब डाउन बिलो इफ यू हैवंट ऑलरेडी, एंड या let's just jump right into it. So before makeup obviously you want a clean base. That's how I prefer it.
और उसके लिए मैं यूज़ करूँगी वीट सेंसिटिव टच ट्रिमर, जिससे मैं अपने आईब्रोज को थोड़ा सा टच अप करूँगी और फॉरहेड क्लीन अप करूँगी ताकि मेरा मेकअप फ्लॉलेसली अप्लाई हो सके. दिस ट्रिमर कम्स विद 7 डिफरेंट अटैचमेंट्स, जिसमें से 2 शेवर हेड्स हैं. एक छोटा है फॉर योर फेशियल हेयर एंड द सेकेंड वन इज अ बिट बिगर व्हिच आई एम गोना शो यू गाइज लेटर ऑन इन द वीडियो. एंड देन यू आर गोइंग टू जस्ट ओपन दिस बॉक्स अप लाइक सो एंड यू गेट a free pouch with it as well, जो कि बहुत travel friendly है, although it's cute at the same time. You open this up and this is what the trimmer itself looks like. It has a very sturdy body. It seems very luxurious and it comes with battery as well, so आपको अपनी तरफ से सेल लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You just open this up, put your battery in and it's ready to use right away, so it's amazing for that. And let's see how it works now.
So basically इनका जो छोटा वाला ये हेड है, दिस इज़ फॉर योर अपर लिप्स, एनी फेशियल हेयर, आईब्राउज, साइड बर्न्स. मैं सिर्फ आईब्राउज करके दिखाऊंगी बिकॉज मेरी मस्टैश क्लियर है. सो दिस इज़ परफेक्ट फॉर पीपल लाइक मी स्पेशली, क्योंकि मैं तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेयरी हूँ.
To start off with my eyebrows, I'm first going in with the comb attachment on the small shaver head and trimming those extra long eyebrow hair. This saves me the hassle of trimming with scissors beforehand or after I'm done cleaning up. If you have any longer facial hair, you can also use this. Machine को on करने से पहले I'm just seeing how much length I need to get rid of, and then I'm going to turn it on and then go in and get rid of the excess length. You can see the little hair it got in the comb there. I'm also going in with the same comb attachment on my forehead as well, just to get rid of a few longer hair, and then I'm going to take it off and remove the hair more precisely with the 16mm shaving head side. The small 6mm shaver side is more suitable for underneath your eyebrows because it gives more precise trimming. Just make sure you're pulling the skin underneath a little bit, just so you don't cut yourself and get that more precise clean look. I love that this also comes with a tiny little brush to keep your device all nice and clean. This particular shaver head is also bendable just to get into those little nooks and crannies ताकि आपके eyebrows can look very sharp, very clean and very very well groomed.
I love this and I've been using this for a while now and I really like how it also bends. So जिस भी side पे आपके बालों की growth है, you can go against it. And what is also included in this kit is this bigger shaver head, which is for your underarms and bikini area. I'm going to show it to you on my hands because they're pretty hairy, and I don't know you can see it on the camera or not, लेकिन मैंने आने से पहले ही. This is a 20mm trimming head, which is perfect for these particular areas that it is intended for. लेकिन I'm going to show it to you on my arms, but it's not intended for these areas because obviously थोड़ा छोटा है ये head उसके लिए. You can use it wet or dry as you please.
Now this shaver head has 2 comb attachments. एक से आपके बाल uniform हो जाएंगे till the length of 2mm and the second one is for 4mm. Now ज़ाहिर इसका obviously काम तब होगा when you actually use it on your underarms or bikini area, because this genuinely does take care of the longer hair जो ज़्यादा difficult हो सकते हैं if you go in directly with the shave. The price of this whole trimmer set is 3000 rupees, लेकिन अभी ये daraz.pk पे discount पे है for 1999 rupees only. But Veet Pakistan was kind enough to give my subscribers a special little discount code. So if you use my code Khadeja loves Veet, you will be able to save even more money. So hurry up, because this discount is only valid for the first 25 people. So get yours. And now that we have a clean base, let's get started with our makeup.
First off, obviously I start off my makeup by using Beautify by Amna ka Porfade primer. This is the primer I've been loving recently. Next I'm going to use the Hemani BB cream, which is called Oh So Flawless, and I have the shade Light in this. And then I just buff this in with the brush. You can see it has added this nice tint to my skin without being too cakey or too heavy, जो आप daily basis पे नहीं चाहते हो. Then I'm gonna go in with my concealer. As you guys know, I stand for these two. So first I lay down my Misslyn Concealer क्योंकि इसकी थोड़ी सी yellow orange undertone है, just to correct those bags. Blend.
Then I'm just placing Maybelline Asia Wine Concealer in the shade Neutralizer under my eyes and then blending it in with my fingertips or then with a sponge. I'm now using the RCMA No Color Powder under my eyes to set and bake. Going to use the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder to remove this bake and also set the rest of my face with the same buffing brush.
And then I go on top of it with a damp beauty blender because I have dry skin, इसलिए I just want to melt everything together ताकि कोई भी चीज़ केकी ना लगे. Next I'm going in with my Becute Blush. मैंने इसको इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है कि ये बिल्कुल ख़त्म ही हो गया है, लेकिन this is a very basic pinky sort of a blush. I also like NYX का Pinched. When I'm going for a minimal makeup look, I like to go really pinky on the cheeks क्योंकि just I don't know, it just makes it look more natural but very very healthy. If you overdo it just like I did, just go on top with your beauty blender जिससे आपने अभी सारा काम किया था. For highlight I'm going to go with Becca Champagne Pop. You can see it's written right there. ऊपर से तो गायब हो गया है. Then I'm going to do my eyebrows with Essence Make Me Brow. Curl my lashes. And I'm then putting on my current favorite mascara from Lancome. It's their Monsieur Big Mascara. और इसकी जगह पे आप Lash Paradise भी यूज़ कर सकते हो because I am really liking that too. लेकिन since it's a small bottle, I brought it on this trip. And last, I'm going to put on this NYX Wonder Pencil. इस तरह की pencil Essence की भी है. I'm just putting that in to brighten my waterline a little bit.
And it's time to change clothes, or is it time for a magic trick? ये मैं जा रही हूँ जी कबर्ड के अंदर and voila, magic. Put on some shoes for the day, some jewelry, and you're ready to go. But before you leave, don't forget to put on some lipstick. I'm using this Miniso lip tint in the shade Pomegranate Red 02.
And just like that, I'm ready to head out right now. But we shall not forget the hero of this video, which is this Veet trimmer, which helped me get ready so fast. और मुझे ज़्यादा कोई मेहनत करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ी. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to check out the description box for all the links and all the details. All the prices, all the links will be mentioned in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.